Hi, sir. Can I get your full name?
John Poland.
Ms. Poen or Mr. Poen, I'm seeing you this evening on some different matters. You've got new felony charges of misconduct involving weapons and for having a prohibited weapon improvised explosive device. And then you've also got some old charges out of city court that we will deal with next. Those are all in warrant status for failures to appear. On the new felony charge, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. I will appoint the public defender's office to represent you, and you've got counsel seated next to you for today's hearing. The seat is asking that I hold you on a $25,000 bond plus pretrial services, given the nature of the offense and the history of failing to appear for court hearings and the very high scores on the scales. Did defense want to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. He's lived in Tucson for 4 years and has ties to the community. He does have a prior felony conviction, but it is from 2014, which is about 10 years ago. He's also homeless, so any amount of bond is going to be a lot for him to post. I'd ask the court set the bond at $7,500.
Thank you. I'm going to order a $15,000 cash or secured bond released to pretrial services if that bond is posted. Don't return to that incident location and do not possess any incendiary devices.
Okay.
And preliminary hearing date is scheduled for November 7th. All right, and then your city court matters. It's like you've got 1, 2, 3, about 6 warrants out of Tucson City Court for failures to appear involving criminal damage, criminal trespass, obstruction, drug paraphernalia, and prescription drugs. On those charges, I'm going to order that you be held on a $500 cash bond. I will appoint the city public defender to represent you, and you'll be seen by video on November 5th at 1:45 in the afternoon. You understand that, sir?
Yes, you do.
All right, you're excused.